America has been shutting down in a nationwide effort to minimize the spread of coronavirus as much as possible. This as cases in the U.S. rose to more than 3,700 in 49 states, Washington, D.C., and Puerto Rico. More than 60 have died from the disease. As of today, at least 5 states have or will announce plans to close all bars and restaurants. More than half of the nation's states have closed their public school systems, affecting millions of children. The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention now recommends no gatherings of more than 50 people for the next 8 weeks. The hope, according to Dr. Anthony Fauci of the National Institutes of Health, is what epidemiologists call flattening the curve, minimizing the peak of the outbreak so that the nation's medical system is not overwhelmed. Fauci thinks the precautions now being implemented can help do that.
I don't think it's going to be that worse because I think what we're doing is going to have an effect.
It was a weekend of panic buying and empty store shelves across the country as President Trump asked Americans to stop hoarding groceries and other supplies.
You don't have to buy so much. Take it easy. Just relax.
But hospitals, which have a limited number of beds, were preparing for a possible surge in patients, putting up tents to handle extra cases. Internationally, nations are shutting their borders to travelers and enforcing quarantines, trying to control the spread of the virus. The White House says more than 2,000 additional labs will be coming online today with high-speed testing. On the financial front, the Federal Reserve lowered the interest rate again, this time to near zero. President Trump approved.
I want to congratulate the Federal Reserve.
President Trump declared Sunday a national day of prayer to lift up first responders, the elderly, and others vulnerable to the coronavirus.
And Lord, we ask you to heal us of this terrible plague.
Dr. Fauci says it could be up to 8 weeks or more of shutdowns and working from home as COVID-19 cases spread through the U.S.
Things will get worse before they get better. What we're trying to do is to make sure they don't get to the worst case scenario.
The first COVID-19 vaccine trial starts today in Seattle, but it's just phase 1, and it could take up to 18 months to approve any vaccine. Dale Hurd, CBN News.